it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick project share. I made a pocket letter that's supposed to be all about me, so I made it with cards and things that I enjoy. Before we jump into it, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So here's the front of my pocket letter. Obviously you can see I like cats and I love wine and coffee and shoes. So let's start with this very first pocket. So in the first pocket here, I've mentioned I do like to say hello, and I included this really pretty butterfly sticker embellishment. Pocket number 2, I used this butterfly paper and added some really cute butterfly gems here. The third pocket I kind of kept pretty simple. It's just shoes, and this was created from thank you cards that had shoes, and I cut them to size, and I thought that was really adorable. For the second row here, I used this really beautiful flowered paper, added a little flower gem over there. Now this is the shaker pocket. I love the shakers. It's hard to see in the camera, but there's butterflies, there's flowers, there's glitter, and I just love that. And I've mentioned that I stitch it with my sewing machine, I cover it with washi, and I added a couple of gems here. This next pocket here, I made a little tag that's inside here. I used some washi just to attach it. Other than that, the paper card is plain. And then we have this cute little gift tag with a coffee on it. Row number 3 is my favorite with the little kitties. This cat is chasing the yarn ball, and I added a little other sticker ball. I stamped love them. I have my 4 cats and I love them. Continued the kitty theme right next to each other. And then the final pocket here, I used some wine glasses, and I just thought that was cute, and I printed happiness by using my stamp and made it like a little banner. Now for the reverse side, I like to always add goodies for my partner, so I added some of the sequins that I put in the shaker. I have goodies that I'll put in the package. I couldn't fit everything in. So this one I just put another little butterfly. Here's the gems that I used. They're a little backwards. There's butterflies in there in all the different colors. Here's the flower gems in different colors. And then in the last row I included the washi tape and a couple of other tags that I made using the paper from project. So that's it, guys. That's my little pocket letter about me and things I love, which are butterflies, shoes, cats, coffee, wine. I love these things. So that's why I created it in this manner, and I really enjoyed it. Alright guys, that was my pocket letter created about me and things that I enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed each and every pocket. Would love to hear your comments down below. Please give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.